I'm Kate Russell, I'm a technology reporter and author, and these are my top 5 tips for attracting the best young talent into manufacturing and engineering. Be proactive. It's all very well having a load of great jobs that you want to fill, but if you don't go out there and get interest in your company beforehand, no one is going to know about you. We see again and again young people even aren't aware of the different roles that are available to them in the field of engineering and manufacturing. So we suggest actually go out there and invite schools into your company, set up mentoring sessions, connect them with people who are doing the kinds of jobs they may be interested in doing. And crucially, when you do get fresh young recruits into the company, make sure you continue that mentality of mentoring through into those young starters, because that will really help with retention, to give them that support and backup right from the very word go without them having to ask for it. Be visible. Harness the skill and enthusiasm of your staff to go out and send a message into the world about your company and the opportunities available. They can either do this by going out as ambassadors to actually visit schools and universities and talk about their role, or you can create Facebook Live content or YouTube content, letting people know what they can explore within the realm of the jobs that your company has to offer on, using, crucially, your staff as ambassadors. Be flexible. Don't look for a shopping list of technical requirements when you're looking for staff. Rather look for the right people that you can mould into the staff that you want. And you can explore these options by perhaps running webinars or live chat sessions, or even just Twitter chats around different elements of what your company covers, and see if you can just engage with people and encourage them to think about you as potentially an employer in the future. But then make sure you have conversations with them about the roles, and you don't just put a list of requirements in a job advertisement, because research has actually shown that particularly women, if they see a shopping list of requirements and they can't do some of them, they'll be much less likely to apply. Be creative. If you want to attract creative people, then the best way is to be more imaginative about how you present yourself to the world. So create content, video contents, keep it short, keep it snappy. Written content, blog posts, website posts, always accompany those with a picture. Join online forums and places like Quora, answer questions, be part of a conversation. And don't hard sell at this point. You're being creative, you're connecting with creative people, and then hopefully when you have a job to fill, they will already be thinking about you in terms of, well, I'd kind of like to work for that company. Engage apprenticeships. It really shouldn't be seen anymore as a second-class alternative if you haven't managed to secure a place at university, but you need to make sure, if you're running a degree apprenticeship with a first-class training and a career progression at the end of it, you need to make sure people know about it, because that message isn't getting through at the moment to schools and universities. So do outreach on social media, through local news channels, whatever. Let people know that there's a possibility of them coming to you for a degree apprenticeship, and make sure that you're in touch with the schools and universities so that they know that you have that as an option as well, and they can pass that on to their students.